Hey there, Lego fans, and welcome to another episode. Tonight, I'm really excited about this build. I've had this for a few months and managed to resist opening the box. But the holidays are getting nearer, and I really want to use this as part of my winter village. So the time has come. Whether I like it or not, I have to open the box. So what am I talking about? Well, Lego Ideas, right? The Lego Ideas Treehouse. 3,036 pieces. This box is huge, and I'm really excited to dig into it. So, enough of the talking, right? Let's get to it. Okay. All right, let's see what's in this baby. Whew. Okay. Wow. This is really cool. So, these are the fall leaves. I'm sure the summer and spring green leaves are in here, but very typical of Lego. Lego always seems, no matter how big the set is, they'll give you just enough to do what they need you to do, but then leave enough room for you to build on or add on if you wish. So typical of them, they didn't add any white leaves for winter. So down the line, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this build as it is shown in the instruction booklet, and then I'm going to add and subtract some pieces to winterize it for the winter village. So there'll be another video of me winterizing this. But for now, let's continue cracking some boxes. Let's see. Okay, so, wow, this is a lot. Let's see. 2 bags of 1, 1 of 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 19 groups of bags, right? And so far, there are 2 13s, 2 1s. That's essentially it. So there are actually 21 bags, not counting the leaves, and there are 4 bags of each. And then I have 63 leaves, white leaves, upstairs somewhere that I have to break out eventually. But yeah, this is what we're looking at, and I'll actually show a picture of what this table looks like right now with just these. This is going to be fun. Okay, so let's see. So if you're looking for a comparison, this is the booklet, and it's practically a book, a tome, and it's 428 pages of instructions. I believe it's actually bigger than the Land Rover booklet. But this is pretty big. I mean, look at this. This is pretty thick. So for now, we're gonna put all the bags back with the exception of the first 3, I think. Or better yet, we're just gonna move them out of the way. So opening the first page reminds me, so just a tiny little tidbit. Lego seems to be moving gradually to more ecologically friendly way of manufacturing. So all the leaves that are in this set are actually plant-based plastics. And if you recall, the Vesta windmill also has elements in it that are plant-based plastic. And fairly recently, Lego announced that they are actually hoping to go completely plant-based plastics by 2035, I believe. I'll have to check that date, but that's what they're looking to do. So it's going to be really interesting to see how they achieve that. But I'm glad they're doing it. I just don't know what the quality of the plastics will be when they do, but I'm looking forward to it. I'm really looking forward to it. So I guess I get to finally feel the plant-based plastics and see what it is, what it's like. But I'm really looking forward to it. So without further ado, here it is. Let's roll. midpoint. So I've built the 3 different huts that make up the tree house, and I'm yet to build the branches and add the limbs and the leaves, and also, of course, the roofing system. But look at this. This is a beautiful set. I'm glad I waited to build it, because now I wish I could start all over again. But this has been a lot of fun so far. I mean, look at this. This is, and the details that they included, right? I have, okay, so there are 4 minifigures that come with this, and there are what looks like a master bedroom is the first hut, right? A master bedroom with a bed. I don't know why for some reason underneath the covers they put a pair of scissors. I don't get what that's all about, but it's there. And then there is a bathroom with a wooden tub. And then there's what looks like a kid's room with a bunk bed. There is a tiny little microscope on the dresser, right? A flower under a glass, and there's a book on the side of the bed. They give you one of those tiny little books with the Once Upon a Time tile that goes right on the side of the bed. Now, when you're talking about the scale of the bed to the book, it's essentially 2/3 of the length of the bed. So scale-wise, the book is really huge, but I think it's a beautiful little touch. Other touches that they added I really find interesting is you have a birdhouse with a tiny little bird right there. And there's also, looks like a rope and wood bridge that goes between the 2 huts, and it's really cool. I really like I mean, the design of this is phenomenal, and I'm really looking forward to winterizing it. I think it's gonna be pretty cool. I really like this. And if I had a wish, and the funds to fund that wish would be to probably get 2 more and stack it up and try to go for almost like a pretty sizable Christmas tree, right? Longer limbs on the bottom between the little huts, and then taper it to the top. But I think something like this, a combination of 3 different trees, 3 different sets combined to make one full scale tree would be really interesting to see. And I know some of you AFOLs out there are also thinking the same thing. So if you do put it together, please capture it on video and send it to me, and I'll add it to the list of videos, because I think it'll be really cool. But unfortunately, I don't have that kind of funds to go and, get 2 more of the tree. But it's, man, this is a beautiful set, and I'm really looking forward to finishing it. So stay tuned. There'll be more. All right? Thanks again for watching, and stay tuned for part 2. Play well.